Are you dealing with slow growing hair or hair loss and you're looking for ways to speed up your hair growth? Well, stick around. This video is for you. Hey guys, Karen with Curl House. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, meaning I specialize in hair loss, and I am the creator of the fabulous Curl House product line and the Curl House Academy, Let's Get Growing program. And today, you all, we are going to talk about one of my favorite subjects, hair growth. Hair growth. Today is all about hair growth. Now, I titled the video, Ways to Speed Up Your Hair Growth. But I want you to think about it like this. Hair growth, or your rate of growth, is technically determined by genetics. So on average, our hair grows about a ½ inch a month. Some of us hair may grow a little slower, sometimes it may grow a little faster, but on average, it's about a ½ inch per month. Now, I want you to think about, in terms of growing your hair faster, I want you to think about your car. When you get in your car, you can go, 160 miles an hour. So if you get in your car and if you slam on the gas and you hit 160 miles an hour, can you go any faster if you are traveling 160 miles an hour? And that is the fastest that the car can go. No, you cannot go any faster if you are going at the maximum speed of the car. Now, if you step off that gas and if you slow down a little bit, then you have some room to go faster. It's the same thing with your hair. Because our rate of growth is determined by genetics, then it's nothing we can do to speed up our hair growth unless it has slowed down. And many of us, particularly if you are over 40, and you are going through many changes within your body, because healthy hair begins within. If there are things going on within your body that is causing your rate of growth to slow down, then yes, you can do some things to get your hair growing faster. And that is what this video is all about. So in this video, I'll be talking about some of the things that may have caused your car to slow down or cause your hair growth to slow down. And one thing that may be causing your hair growth to slow down or may be causing you to lose hair or for your hair to thin out is DHT, dihydrotestosterone. So DHT is a hormone. It is produced from testosterone. Now, what happens? There's an enzyme that converts testosterone to DHT. And when there is excessive DHT at the follicle, that is what causes your hair to stop growing, to grow slower, or to actually get thinner. So too much DHT can actually cause your hair follicle to shrink, to get smaller, producing thinner hair and affecting your rate of growth. So what you want to do something to inhibit that DHT. So that leads me to solution number one is pumpkin seed oil. Pumpkin seed oil inhibits DHT. There's even studies that back this up of men who have taken pumpkin seed oil, I believe for 24 weeks, and notice 40% more growth as a result of taking this pumpkin seed oil supplement. And researchers have really contributed this to the blocking of the DHT. So that is suggestion number one. If you want to speed up your hair, your rate of growth, and if it has slowed down due to DHT, then you may want to consider pumpkin seed oil. You can take it in the supplement form or you can take it topically. Some people will actually take pumpkin seed oil, put it on the scalp, massage it in. Those are options for you. I'm going to make sure I put some of these studies down below, some of the studies that I'm going to mention. I'll also put some of the products that I'm recommending down below too. You want to know what else can block DHT? Green tea. Studies that back this up as well. Green tea is also a DHT inhibitor. So you can do a green tea rinse, meaning you steep green tea, let it sit, let it cool off, pour it on your scalp about 30 minutes before you shampoo your hair. That may help to inhibit DHT. And of course, you can also drink green tea, but green tea also inhibits DHT. Green tea also contains caffeine. Caffeine also helps to stimulate growth as well. Green tea is also helpful for calming the scalp as well, as it is anti-inflammatory. So green tea would be the second thing that you can consider if you're trying to block that DHT. And then there are also products that contain botanicals in it that are known to block DHT. Rosemary is known to block DHT. Nettle is also known to block DHT. You may find some of them in your favorite products, like the Powerhouse products contains DHT blockers. The follicle stimulating drops contains the DHT blockers. So check your products, because you may see some of these extracts already in your products, and more than likely it's in there for a reason, because it does help to block DHT and it helps with proper scalp health. And since you're already applying botanicals to your scalp, then step it up with the next option. The next solution, rather, is to do a scalp massage. Scalp massage encourages hair growth, blood flow, you all. Growth is in the blood. You need proper blood flow to your scalp to stimulate growth. You want to know what's in the blood? It's nutrients in the blood, oxygen in the blood, but you want that blood circulating to your scalp to increase hair growth. And how can you do that? By a simple scalp massage. You can use your fingers, you can use a tool, but get in the habit of massaging your scalp. You don't have to do it for a long time. You can do it for 3 to 4 minutes, 5 minutes. It doesn't sound like a long time, but when you're sitting here massaging your scalp, 5 minutes can be a long time, which is why if you have someone who can do the scalp massage for you, you can get somebody else to do it for you too. But incorporate a scalp massage in your hair routine if you want to speed up hair growth. Scalp massage. And the next thing you need to do to encourage hair growth is to get some blood work. So I want you to get some blood work to determine if your body is deficient in anything, particularly vitamin D, zinc, ferritin, which is iron storage, B12, and thyroid. Did you get all those? So if you are dealing with slow growing hair and you can't figure out why, you may need to look within. You know, healthy hair begins within. So it's not what's going on out here. Well, you know, I have on a turban today, but you know, with hair, it's not the hair per se, it's what's going on internally. What's going on internally, the deficiencies within your body may be halting or slowing down your hair growth, which is why I recommend you getting blood work. Vitamin D, you all, is critical to healthy hair growth. Some of us have low vitamin D levels and we do not even know it. Your vitamin D levels need to be optimal, not just normal, not within the normal range. I really like to see vitamin D at around 60 or 70, like the mid-range, the optimal range of vitamin D. So you can take a vitamin D supplement, or you can get 20 minutes in the sun too, if that's easier for you. Go out in the sun. I work from home. I don't go out a lot, but you can get it from a supplement. Ferritin is very important. Iron is so important for the health of your hair and for growing healthy hair. Ferritin is iron storage, and when that is low, that can affect your hair as well. Zinc is key. Zinc is helpful for proper scalp health. Zinc is also in pumpkin seed oil as well, so get your zinc checked as well. Also B12. Particularly if you are a vegan or vegetarian, get your B12 levels checked as well. Because when your B12 levels are low, your hair follicle is not getting the oxygen that it needs to produce healthy hair. So definitely get your B12 level checked. And of course, thyroid. Thyroid regulates metabolism and it regulates your hair growth cycle. So the growing cycle is the anagen cycle. If your thyroid is off, if you're hypo or hyper, if your thyroid levels are not balanced, then that can actually affect your hair growth cycle. And you want your hair in a normal growing cycle, the anagen cycle, for it to grow as fast as what is genetically possible for you. So if you have not gotten your thyroid checked, make sure you get your thyroid checked. After you've determined what the deficiency is, of course, speak to your doctor about the best supplement or the proper foods, or in the case of vitamin D, getting some sun. Address it. And your hair will thank you for it. Once you can get that body balance, the hair growth will follow. So that is the next way that you can speed up hair growth. Get some blood work to address what's going on within your body and address what's going on within your body through proper supplementation and food. And while I'm talking about food, I kind of put water in the category of food. You do know that 2 to 3 liters of water per day is what is needed for proper hair growth. For most women, it's at least 2 liters a day. 1 liter is 33 ounces. 2 liters is 66 ounces. So at least 66 ounces or 8 cups of water a day for healthy hair growth. Go ahead and drink a little water too while you're addressing other deficiencies. Check and ask yourself, am I drinking my water? If not, add that to your hair routine or even to your body routine to speed up your rate of growth. And the next way that you can speed up your rate of growth is to address your stress. Do you all know that chronic stress can lead to a disruption of your hair growth cycle? So I talked about the cycles earlier. Stress, chronic unmanaged stress can halt your hair from growing. You don't want that. This is also backed up by science too. So I need you all to address your stress. Come up with stress, not just come up with stress management techniques, implement them, do them. If your rate of growth is slowing down, it could be because of high cortisol levels that's associated with high levels of stress. So you need to bring those cortisol levels down to increase your rate of growth if it has slowed down. There's so many types of stress management techniques. Some of us go out for a walk, some of us exercise, some of us pray, meditate, journal. As many things that you can do to address your stress, but please get in the habit of addressing unmanaged stress, particularly if you are seeing that your hair is coming out. Your hair coming out is a symptom of what's going on within the body. So health is key, you all. So make sure you come up with some stress management techniques and implement them if you want to speed up your rate of growth. And the last thing, it's not really to speed up the rate of growth, but it's to keep your hair from breaking. Many times I know we're focusing on growth. Growth is an inside job. But when I hear people say, what can I do to make my hair grow faster? What I hear actually is, what can I do to keep my hair from breaking off? And that is what's in length retention. Another thing that you could do, if you are not doing it, then when you go to bed, you need to prep your hair with something. Do not sleep on a cotton pillowcase. Sleep on a satin pillowcase, sleep with a satin bonnet. You all see, I am rocking my turban. This thing is fabulous. I absolutely love it. If I wanted to sleep in it, I could, because on the inside of it, it has a satin lining on it. Yes, I love this turban. It's actually by Sassy Jones, so I am rocking my Sassy Jones today. But anyway, it has a satin lining on the inside of it. So if I wanted to sleep in it, I could. But that's what you want to do before you go to bed. Prep your hair with something, a satin scarf, a satin pillowcase, a satin or silk bonnet, something that's going to keep your hair from breaking off due to friction. And if you do that, then you'll notice that you're able to retain more length. And then you'll say, oh my God, my hair is growing faster. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Is there anything that you do that helps you to regrow your hair or to speed up your rate of growth if it has slowed down? If so, put it in a comment. I would love to read it, and I'm sure people in my Curl House community would love to know what you do as well to speed up your rate of growth. Okay, if you are looking for a fabulous product line that helps to heal your scalp, moisturize your hair, and grow your hair, then I encourage you to consider the Curl House product line. I just did a rebrand, and this new product line is off the chain. I would love for you to experience it, but I'll put the link below. All right, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like the video so that you do not miss a video in the future. And until we talk again, stay fabulous.